Hello class, today we're going to be talking about the fuel system on the Airbus 220. The Airbus 220 has an automated fuel system that makes flying more efficient and keeps plane balanced and lightens the pilot's workload. Fuel is stored in three main tanks, one in the center of the fuselage and one on each wing. The graph below shows us how much are in each tank. The left and right main tank hold 6,725 pounds of fuel, and the center tank can hold up to 24,900 pounds of fuel, making a total of 38,350 pounds of fuel. The fuel system on the A220 provides enough fuel for both short regional flights and long trips across the continents with a range of 34,000 nautical miles. On the A220, there is a fuel management control computer, FMCC, that takes care of key tasks such as moving fuel and supplying fuel to the engines. The FMCC also automatically transfers fuel to keep the airplane's center of gravity steady so pilots don't have to worry about it. When the plane is on the ground, crews refuel it through the right wing, which connects to a built-in refueling station. This setup on the A220 makes sure that engines are always receiving a steady pressurization flow of fuel during flight. Fuel reaches the engines through a secure setup of motive flow pumps, boost pumps, cross-feed valves, and emergency suction devices. The center tank has its own transfer pumps, which are used early in flight to take weight off the wings. If a pump stops working, pilots can also manually operate the cross-feed valve to send fuel from any tank to either engine. If all electrical power is lost, gravity and suction can still move the fuel to the engines, but only at lower altitudes. To stop ice from forming in cold weather, engine oil warms the fuel in a thermal exchanger before it reaches the combustor. Special scavenger ejectors remove water and leftover fuel from the bottom of the tanks. The aircraft fuel system uses advanced sensors and safety features to keep everything running smoothly. Sensors inside the tanks measure fuel weight and density, sending accurate data directly to the flight deck. These sensors adjust for changes in the plane's angle and fuel temperature, so pilots always see reliable information from their main displays. To protect the wings during fast refueling, overflow vent tanks with pressure relief are installed near each wingtip. The special system fills the empty tank space with nitrogen-rich air to displace oxygen and reduce the risk of explosions. Closed-loop venting collects any expanded fuel during ascent and returns it to the main tanks. In the flight deck, pilots can quickly check valve positions, pump status, temperature readings on the system pages viewed in the flight deck. Thank you so much for listening today, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you.